Hey YouTubers, this is Styler. I just received a new package with DHL and I got this from Fastcardtech.com. Today I'm going to unbox the HDC Galaxy S5 and this is called the G900F. This comes with the MTK6592 Octa-Core 1.7 GHz and it has a 5.1 inch HD IPS screen. It also is supposed to come with the Android 4.4 KitKat, but if this is true, I don't know. I will check this later in the full review. So now I'm going to unbox this. To see all the specifications about this device, please look down in the video description. So it have been opened here by the customs, so let's take a look. And this looks familiar. We have the Samsung logo, Galaxy S5, and we have the big 5. Here on the side we also have Samsung Galaxy S5. And here we see the G900. On the back it says Samsung Galaxy S5 16 GB, but I don't think this is true. This should be a 1 GB device with 8 GB of RAM. So here we have other specifications, but they look to be fake. I don't think they are all real. And we also got some extras, I see. So this is empty now. We have a flip cover. Let me show that first. A nice white flip cover. With Samsung logo. Then we got a rubber case, clear case, and what we got here, we got some kind of skin, mobile skin for the phone, and we also got a screen protector. So all this is free extras you get from Fastcardtech if you order this device. Let us take a look inside the box now. So this looks like the white version to me, and let's take it out here. So far it looks really good. We have the Samsung logo here in top, and right now it has some silver color. It's covered, so you can scratch this away and you will have the original Samsung logo below. The same on the side, on the back. I mean, here we have the HDC phone sticker. I believe when we take this away we have the original Samsung logo. Of course I will show this in the full review. So here we have Samsung Galaxy S5 HD AMOLED. That's not true, but it's come with a normal LCD, and this should be 1280 by 720. So let's take a quick look on the design. On front we have the screen, we have the proximity sensor and the air gesture sensor, we have the earphone speaker, we have the front facing camera. Then we also have the home button, touch screens here. On this side we have the volume rocker. Then here we have the micro USB port covered with some dust cover like this. Looks like the 3.0 USB port. Then we also have here on this side we have the power button. In the top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and we have a real infrared remote control sensor. On the back we have the back camera, we have the LED flash, and we have the logo below. So this phone also comes with a real metal frame. This is real metal, as you can hear here. So this is really nice. This phone also supports gesture control, floating window, infrared remote control and heart rate. Another nice thing is that it should support the double tap to wake. So of course I will test this in the full review. So now I'm going to peel off this screen protector, so we can take a look on the screen. Also I will peel off this sticker. Let's take a look here what it says. Yes, and here we have the Samsung logo, as you see. So let us check what we else have here in the box. We have a micro USB, and this is the 3.0. Then we also have the wall charger. As you can see, it comes with the Samsung logo. Then we have the headphones here, and we also have the Samsung logo on these. And I see they also sent a second battery, 2800 mAh. Inside the phone we already have one battery, so you get two batteries. So that's it for now. I will soon do an in-depth review of this device. Please comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you like my videos. I hope to see you in my next video. See ya.